Alright guys, let's make some one-pot beef stroganoff. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in your preheated cast iron skillet. Break up your meat and hit it with some salt and pepper. When your ground beef is browned, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook until fragrant. Add these spices listed on the screen. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And mix. Now add in 4 cups of beef broth and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to bring this to a light boil over medium heat. At this point, you can add in 12 ounces of egg noodles. Make sure your egg noodles are covered and we're going to cook until soft. After about 5 minutes, your noodles should be soft. Reduce your heat to low and add in 4 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix continuously until your cream cheese is melted. Sorry guys, I meant to add 8 ounces of cream cheese, but I'm going to add the other 4 now. Once everything is melted in nicely, this is ready to serve. This is one of my favorite easy dishes. Hell yeah.